In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable Bluetooth on Windows 10. Whether you're looking to connect a wireless headset, keyboard, mouse, or any other Bluetooth-enabled gadget, this step-by-step guide will have you up and running in no time. Let's get started. First things first, you'll want to begin by clicking on the Start button, which you'll easily recognize as the Windows logo found at the bottom left corner of your screen. This is your gateway to accessing various features on your Windows 10 computer, so it's always a good starting point for any setting adjustments. Once you've clicked on the Start button, you'll see a menu pop up. From here, you'll want to look for the gear icon, which represents the Settings option. Selecting this will bring you into the main Settings menu, where you can adjust a variety of system preferences. Now that you're in the Settings menu, keep an eye out for the option labeled Devices. Clicking on this will take you to a subset of settings specifically related to peripheral devices like printers, mice, and notably Bluetooth devices. On the left-hand side of this panel, there should be a menu option named Bluetooth and Devices. Go ahead and click on it. Within the Bluetooth and Devices section, you'll need to locate the Bluetooth settings. This should be fairly prominent, as it's a key feature in this category. You'll find a toggle switch associated with the Bluetooth option here. If it's currently set to off, simply click it to switch it to the on position. This action turns on your computer's Bluetooth functionality, enabling your device to search for and connect with other Bluetooth devices nearby. And that's it. With Bluetooth now enabled, your Windows 10 device is ready to pair with other Bluetooth-enabled gadgets. If you want to connect to a specific device, make sure that the device is in pairing mode and appears on the list of available devices. Simply select it from the list and follow any additional prompts that may appear to finalize the connection. Remember to keep your drivers updated to avoid connectivity issues. You can do this in the same Devices settings menu by selecting Device Manager and right-clicking on your Bluetooth adapter to check for driver updates. I hope you found this guide helpful and that you enjoy the convenience of wireless connectivity on your Windows 10 device. If you run into any problems, be sure to double-check that your device is properly set to discoverable mode and that any gadgets you're trying to connect to have sufficient battery life. Thanks for watching, and happy connecting!